वर्ष ये गौरवपूर्ण सम्मान उन प्रतिभाशाली विद्यार्थियों को समर्पित किए जाते हैं जिन्होंने अपनी निरंतर उत्कृष्टता से सफलता को एक परंपरा में रूपांतरित कर दिया है.
Standing as emblems of enduring brilliance, Certificate of Excellence is conferred on the students who have been consistent with their excellence for 8 years straight and have already been felicitated with Certificate of Merit. And Certificate of Merit is bestowed on students with 4 consecutive seasons of distinction.
Year after year, these prodigies have illuminated the arenas of
Science and innovation,
fine arts,
performing arts,
literary and oratory,
and sports.
with their mastery
Creativity,
and unyielding spirit. These young trailblazers have epitomized the true spirit of holistic excellence.
Sir and ma'am, we wish to apprise you that each certificate is a highly personalized tribute, meticulously curated for each recipient by Team MSMS to showcase their unique journey of accomplishment at the international, national, state, zonal, inter-school and intra-school levels.
प्रतिभा के इस दिव्य मंच पर हम अब सम्मानित करने जा रहे हैं उन युवा रत्नों को जिन्होंने केवल सफलता प्राप्त नहीं की अपितु सफलता को अपनी पहचान बना लिया है.
To confer the coveted certificates of excellence and merit, may we now have the privilege of calling our honorable chief guest, Ms. Aruna Oswal ji. We also humbly invite our revered chairman, Sir Shri Padma Gyanchan Jain ji, a guiding beacon of wisdom and inspiration, to come forward and bless the students.
We also request esteemed principal ma'am, Mrs. Ruchika Sukhija ji, to escort sir. Sir and ma'am, your esteemed presence indeed elevates this moment into a celebration of unparalleled brilliance.
Let us commence with proud recipients of Certificate of Excellence.
Let us invite on stage the brilliant Anshika Gupta, head girl MSMS, to receive her Certificate of Excellence.
A meritorious scholar, year after year, blending science with insight and analytical flair. In Chemistry Olympiad, she earned international acclaim, crowned with Star Author Award, adding glory to her name. Of numerous MSMS accolades, she is a proud recipient, including the coveted trophy, Shri Jajmal Jain. Across art, innovation, oratory, and creative domains, her excellence continues to inspire and transcend. With vision, poise, and focus in every stride, as head girl, she leads with grace and pride.
Let's give Anshika a huge round of applause.
Welcoming to the stage, the ever-talented Sanvi Singhal, editorial head MSMS, to be honored with Certificate of Excellence.
In diligence and empathy, her journey is refined. Sanvi Singhal is a scholar with a luminous mind. Authoring Being a Gen Z Teen, her words took flight, reflecting the pulse of youth in honest light. Through numerous internships and forums, she learned and explored. Her intellect and sense of purpose opened new doors. Numerous MUN participations echoed diplomatic insights. She bagged accolades for delivering news headlines. At Yuva Sansad and ADMAT, she became an inspiration. She led as editorial head with poise and dedication.
Let's shower Sanvi with heartfelt applause for her consistent brilliance.
Please join me in calling on stage Khushi Sharma of class 12th, who is being conferred with Certificate of Excellence.
Khushi Sharma, a scholar supreme, whose scientific spark is no less than a dream, securing first position at zonals in science model making quest. At Dr. Kalam National Science Congress, she proved she is the best. Her art, craft and dance brought her inter-school laurels. Her sense of rhythm and music radiates her success.
Let's applaud Khushi with a hearty round of applause for being conferred with Certificate of Excellence. Now, let's invite to the stage the dynamic Hiteshi, sports captain MSMS, whose victories have made us proud.
With power and purpose, her journey does gleam, transforming her love for powerlifting into the national dream. From world championships to state acclaims, her victories in gold have etched a lasting fame. At international and national levels, her spirit soared high with dedication and grace that none can deny. She is also an artist at heart with colors so bright. She paints her dreams in hues of light.
Let us all applaud Hiteshi for carving her legacy in the MSMS Hall of Fame. May we have on stage Ritu, Cultural Secretary MSMS and a symbol of grace and perseverance.
प्रत्येक चित्र में उनकी तुलिका बोली सौंदर्य का गान, रंगों की साधना से रची ऋतु ने अपनी पहचान। वीर गाथा में ऋतु ने रचा पराक्रम का चित्र, सीबीएसई श्रृंखला में भी चमका सृजन का नक्षत्र। प्रेरणा उत्सव की प्रथम विजेता एमएसएमएस की शान, हर प्रतियोगिता में रहा उन पर सृजन अनुपम वरदान। कैनवस की नर्म लकीरों में मेहनत का रंग घुला, शक्ति प्रदर्शन के लिए उन्हें पावर लिफ्टिंग में स्वर्ण मिला। कला और शक्ति की अनूठी मिसाल ऋतु है विद्यालय की गौरवधार विशाल।
Let's celebrate Ritu's winning streak with a thunderous applause.
We express our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chairman Sir Shri Gyanchand Jain ji for doing the honors. Sir, your blessings mean the world to all the Mahavirians. We humbly request you to kindly take your seat.
We feel immensely privileged to now invite Shri Shripal Jain ji, a visionary educationist and the esteemed Vice Chairman MSMS, to encourage the recipients of Certificate of Merit. We also extend a heartfelt welcome to Revered Shri Subhash Oswal ji, President of Bhagwan Mahavir Super Speciality Hospital and a dear friend of school.
Let us now hear it for Samarth Gupta of class 12th.
Samarth's symphony transcends through time. Each rag he sings becomes a rhyme divine. The strings tell stories of his disciplined art. Each rhythm a pulse straight from the heart. From district to zonal level, his victories unfurled, echoing mastery across the musical world. At Ojasvi and Khayale Sufi, his accolades roared, a tapestry of notes which each soul adored.
Let us all applaud Maestro Samarth Gupta, who has impressed one and all with his symphonies.
Welcoming to the stage, Hiti, Community Outreach Head, MSMS.
साहित्य कला और नाट्य की सुशोभित पहचान, अंतर विद्यालय प्रतियोगिताओं में पाया उत्कृष्ट मान, गीता श्लोक उच्चारण में दिखी श्रद्धा की तान, रील मेकिंग में भी पाया प्रथम सम्मान, एड मैड कैरेक्टर पैनोरामा में दिखा सृजन, अंग्रेजी स्किट में छाई अभिनय की उमंग, रंगोली ग्राफिटी में कला ने बिखेरे रंग, हर स्तर पर सेवा भाव से बढ़ाया प्रसंग।
Let's give Hiti a big round of applause for her exceptional efforts and the spirit of always leading with humility and grace. Let's now call on stage Rhythm Virmani, Discipline in Charge, MSMS.
काव्य की सरिता नृत्य की लय, रिदम ने रचा उपलब्धि का नव उदय, संस्कृत कथा वाचन में पाया विशिष्ट यश, हिंदी कविता सुनाकर दिखलाया उत्कर्ष, पोस्टर मेकिंग में सृजन का दिया प्रमाण, फ्यूचर रामा में झलका उनका ज्ञान, डॉक्टर कलाम विज्ञान सम्मेलन में दिया सेवा से योगदान, मेहनत कला और निष्ठा से सजी रिदम की उड़ान।
A big round of applause for her remarkable talent. Inviting on stage Sonali, Project Head MSMS, whose achievements shine as bright as her name.
Sonali's journey talks of rhythm and steady grace. With perfect dance beats, she lights up every stage. At zonal level, her folk dance spread magic. Her Qawwali spoke of devotion classic. Amid cheers and goals on zonal turf wide, her zeal for football echoed with pride. Patriotic hymns and strokes of art, honored she was with Bhasha Doot Samman.
Let us cheer for her with a hearty round of applause.
Please welcome Brinda Soni, whose journey is a blend of passion and persistence.
नृत्य की लय में झूमे हर भाव, वृंदा के पग पर दिखे सुरों का प्रभाव, जोनल मंच पर पुरस्कार लाकर शास्त्रीय कला की छटा बिखेरी, नृत्यांजलि में भी दिखी इनकी निपुणता गहरी। चित्रों में रंगी धरती की पुकार, सतत जीवन की वो सजीव झनकार। भारत विकास परिषद द्वारा पाया प्रथम सम्मान, पर्यावरण चेतना बनी उनकी पहचान।
Let's cheer for Vrinda's accomplishments with joyful applause.
अब हम हृदय से माननीय श्री श्रीपाल जैन जी और आदरणीय श्री सुभाष ओसवाल जी का आभार व्यक्त करते हैं, जिन्होंने अपने कर कमलों से विद्यार्थियों को सम्मानित किया। आपके स्नेह, प्रेरणा और समाज के प्रति आपके अतुलनीय योगदान के लिए हम आपको नमन करते हैं। आपसे अनुरोध है कि कृपया आप अपना आसन ग्रहण करें।
We now extend a warm and reverential welcome to Honorable Shri S.M. Jain ji, the esteemed manager MSMS and a guiding light whose vision and wisdom continue to inspire generations. Sir, with deep respect, we invite you to felicitate and bless our young achievers.
Now, let us have on stage talented Harshit Kaushal, discipline in charge MSMS.
सुरों की गूंज में गड़ा उनका संसार, हर्षित की गायकी में झलके भाव अपार। ज्ञानी फेस्ट और ख्याल सूफी में पाया इनाम, अपने लय से पाया इन्होंने ये मुकाम। कला के कैनवस पर दिखा रंगों का विस्तार, ग्राफिटी की रेखाओं में झलके इनके विचार। अभिनय में निपुण दिखाया मंच पर सदा अंदाज, प्रत्येक प्रस्तुति बनी कौशल का आगाज।
A big round of applause for Harshit's remarkable talent.
Calling upon Anuj Yadav of class 12, whose determination and sincerity define true success.
Through strokes of vision his brush creates, Anuj's designs brought inter-school laurels. From Chandrayaan 3 model making quest to Art for Earth poster making contest. With talent and effort, each stroke refined, a blend of innovation and art combined.
Let's applaud Anuj, an outstanding artist with all our heart.
Let us invite to the stage Arnav Verma of class 8, a name synonymous with excellence.
In Kata Kumite, he displays power and grace, a disciplined rhythm, a champion space. From zonal halls to international rings, nothing less than gold and silver he brings. With colors of conscience and strokes that care, he paints about sustainability with unmatched flair. From happy earth to global halo shine, he guards the earth with purpose divine. The painter's hand but fighter's strength, both steadfast and wise. On canvas calm or karate's form, he is always precise. Creativity and valor in seamless chain, he reigns in brilliance across domains. Here power meets art in a flawless blend, Arnav's brilliance knows no end.
Let us applaud Arnav for his efforts and for being an absolute inspiration. Let us now call on stage the extremely diligent and talented Nikunj Jain of class 8.
A voice of many colors, in art, in thought, in song. Nikunj is from a world where wit and dreams belong. In echoes and words, his words took flight, crowned best performer to everyone's delight. With shlok and kavita, his voice unfolds, from maths to drama, a command he holds. Each verse, each craft, each role he played, with grace and precision, his skills were displayed. Dynamic and diligent, with a heart sincere, he learns, creates, and leads with cheer.
Let us give Nikunj a big round of applause.
Calling upon stage the extremely talented Hunar Vohra, member of Prefectorial Board, Class 8.
A graceful dancer, a virtuoso of words, Hunar's Hunar is indeed unparalleled. Bagging third prize at zonal level, her slogans inspired. Her Sanskrit shlok recital continues to be admired. In Tarang dance competition, her movements enthralled the hall. In Hindi Hasya Kavita, her laughter charmed one and all. A prefect sincere with discipline she leads, winning plethora of prizes for her instrumental beats.
Let's cheer with a hearty round of applause for Hunar, a talented achiever indeed.
We now express our deepest gratitude to Honorable Shri S.M. Jain ji for his revered presence and gracious blessings that continue to illuminate the path of excellence for the young Mahavirians. Sir, we humbly request you to kindly take your seat.
With immense respect and delight, we now invite Honorable Shri Prashant Jain ji, the esteemed Assistant Manager of MSMS, to come forward and felicitate young Mahavirians for their achievements.
I also request Dr. Nagesh Jain ji to please come upstairs and felicitate the students.
Please welcome to the stage Tanishq Gupta of Class 8th, member of Prefectorial Board.
अध्ययन, वाचन व खेल में उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण बने तनिष्क गुप्ता ने हर क्षेत्र में नए आयाम गढ़े। जोनल स्तर वाद विवाद में पाया तृतीय स्थान। सीबीएसई महाकुंभ में भी साबित किया अपना ज्ञान। गीता के श्लोक में बिखेरा भक्ति का प्रवाह। युवा रेस में दिखाया खेल का उत्साह। अंतर विद्यालय रंगोली प्रतियोगिता में भी पाया द्वितीय पुरस्कार।
Let's applaud the shining star Tanishq for his outstanding success.
Inviting Riyansh Arora of Class 8, whose determination and diligence make him stand apart.
योग्यता और वाक्पटुता का अद्भुत संगम, रेयांश रचते हैं प्रतिभा का अनूठा परचम। प्रेरणा का स्रोत, संयम का प्रतीक, जोनल इंग्लिश डिबेट में लाए पुरस्कार, अभिव्यक्ति सटीक। जोनल गणित प्रदर्शनी में भी दिखी जिज्ञासा की धार, तर्क शक्ति से गढ़ा रेयांश ने ज्ञान संभार।
Let's give him a grand round of applause for his wonderful achievements. Let's call upon Abhilasha from Class 8, whose name beautifully mirrors her aspirations and triumphs. कला की साधिका, कल्पना की उड़ान, अभिलाषा ने तो रचा सफलता का नया विधान। ललित कला और योग में दिखाई श्रेष्ठता अपार। जिला व जोनल स्तर पर मिले प्रथम पुरस्कार। इनकी कवाली ने सजाए अनेक स्वर सुमन। सराहा इनको सबने, वो सीबीएसई हो या एनोथन। राष्ट्रीय प्रतियोगिताओं में चमकी चित्रकला की प्रतिभा। कविता वाचन में भी तो मिला इनको तमगा।
Let's applaud Abhilasha's journey of excellence with a huge round of applause.
And now it's time to celebrate a remarkable global triumph.
In an international competition organized by the Global Sustainability Awards, our talented young innovators from Mahavir Senior Model School made their mark on the world stage.
Let us invite on stage Raghav Gupta and Uday Sood of Class 11th with a hearty round of applause. Our brilliant students designed a working model based on United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDG, number 7 and 11, focusing on affordable and clean energy
And sustainable cities and communities.
Their creation not only secured a position among the top 100 entries in the first round, but also went on to bag the bronze.
This achievement beautifully reflects how MSMS continues to prioritize and promote environmental consciousness, innovation, and sustainable thinking among its students, nurturing minds that care for both progress and the planet.
हम हृदय से धन्यवाद करते हैं हमारी मुख्य अतिथि का, आदरणीय श्री प्रशांत जैन जी का और हमारी प्राचार्य महोदया का, जिन्होंने अपनी शुभाशीर्वाद और स्नेह से इस समारोह की गरिमा को और भी बढ़ा दिया। आप सभी के सानिध्य के लिए हम हृदय से आभारी हैं।
We would now